Love the Lord, but some days I get sad, and I'm glad I can vent with this pen on my pad. And I read.
Hola, hola. Today is day number 2 of me getting up and getting out and doing something. Spent a little time doing some stretches this morning. And today I'm walking the track for about 45 minutes on my lunch break. That'll give me about 15 minutes to get back to the house, to get back to work. But day 2 of my 21 days to healthier lifestyle. And again, I have the 21 days set because it takes about 3 weeks. To build a habit. So that's where I'm at with it. Day 2. All right, so peace out. That's the track that I have behind me, and feeling great. That second step is always easier than the first. Peace out.